I made this wood surfboard with chambers in it to make it lighter, and I got to go surf it, but it was just too heavy. So when I got a chance to make another one, I wanted to try out this spine and ribs design to see if I can get it any lighter. And one of my favorite things about this project is that I get to employ my dad. And by employ, I mean he helps me for free. He's been a wood craftsman for like 40 years, and so it's really fun to dream something up and then get him to help me pull it together. Now, this board turned out to be about 2 feet longer and had all kinds of extra weight put on it, and turned out to be about the same weight as my last board. But I liked the way it looked on a wall.